After entering the infrastructure and building block data in the previous setup step, the admin can now allocate premises to a specific building based on the school's arrangements. To do this, click on the Allocate Premises icon. A form will appear where you need to select the school, building block, and floor name. The system will then automatically fetch and display the number of premises assigned to that building block. You can assign a number to each premises and select the type of premises from the drop-down list. Repeat this process to add multiple premises data within the same building. Once completed, click the Save button and confirm the process. The entry will now be successfully stored in your school's database. If modifications are needed, click the Edit icon in the Action section. To remove an entry, simply click the Delete icon. Using the Show Entries option, you can control the number of records displayed in the list. There are some more options from you can copy the entire entries, open them in Excel sheet, export it as a PDF, print it, or customize the column visibility as per your need. You can use the search bar to locate entries within the database instantly.